LDR, LED, DC 547 transistor, 1K resistor, 100K resistor. This is a DC 547 transistor. Now connect LDR to ammeter and the base pin of the transistor. Let's do soldering on them. Now connect 1K resistor to the collector pin of the transistor. Now connect negative terminal of the LED to the 1K resistor. Now connect 100K resistor to the LDR. Now connect the LED pin to the resistor of the 100K. Let's do soldering on all the points. Now connect the negative terminal of the ammeter pin of the transistor. Now connect the positive wire to the LED positive terminal. Let's do soldering on them. This is a 3.7 volt battery. When you close the light surface on LDR, the LED will turn on. When there is a light on LDR, it will get off.